I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here to continue with the same chapter which we have discussed in our previous video. Chapter number 8, A Trip to Mars. I know it's a very long chapter, a very lengthy chapter, so you people are really getting bored now, but this is the last section of the chapter, the last part of the story which we were discussing. So now, no more continuation parts, okay, so this is the last one. So all of you please open page number 72 and follow where I'll be reading and then I'll be explaining together, because I'll be reading a paragraph wise and then I'm going to explain it. So yes, here I go. At last, the time came for Captain Jenna and Curio to leave the red planet and head back home. They travelled past all the planets and stars. Captain Jenna's work was done, as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on her mission. So in this paragraph now, as we have seen in the previous video, now that Captain Jenna finally reached to Mars and she started collecting rocks and soil from planet Mars. So now finally her work is done. What work? Work of collecting rocks and soil. She wanted to collect rocks and soil together, and then she wanted to reach those rocks and soil to the Earth, to our planet, so that scientists and astronauts can do some research on that whether life was possible on Mars or not. They wanted to research on that. That's why she wanted to collect these rocks and soil, and she wanted to reach those rocks and soil to the Earth. So finally her work is done, and at last the time came for Captain Jenna and Curio to leave the red planet. Now the time has come, because their work was done, so they can't stay there on the planet, right? So their work was done, so it was time for them to leave the planet, the red planet. So what is this red planet? You can see that word red planet given in your book. So the red planet means, you see the meaning is given here on the board. The red planet means Mars is also known as the red planet because of the color of its surface. So Mars is also known as the red planet because of the color of its surface, because it has got red color. The surface of Mars has got red color, that is why it is called red planet. So now they were leaving from the red planet. They wanted to reach back to the Earth, because Earth was their home, Mars was not their home. So they wanted to reach back to their place. They traveled past all the planets. Because it's time for them to reach to the Earth. So they were traveling to all the planets they could see. They were traveling through all the planets and stars. They could see other planets, they could see the stars, because they were traveling back to the Earth now. So Jenna's work was done, as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on her mission. So she was bringing all the rocks and all the soil which she had collected from Mars. She was bringing back all those things from planet Mars, and finally her mission was complete. Mission. So what does this word mission means? You can see that word mission in your book, which is given in red color. So mission means, you can see here, mission means a task or a piece of work that has to be completed by someone. So it was a task for Captain Jenna which she got from her teammates, because she wanted to complete this task or a piece of work that has to be completed by someone. So who was that someone? That someone was Captain Jenna, who was assigned with a task or a piece of work that she had to reach to Mars and collect rocks and soil from there and then bring back to the Earth. So that was a task given to Captain Jenna which she had completed, that mission she had completed. So now we move on to our last paragraph given on page number 73. So please follow me. She came back and told everyone about what she saw on Mars. The scientists thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. All the scientists congratulated Captain Jenna and told her what excellent work she had done. Well done, Captain Jenna. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip, they said together. So in this paragraph we see that now she came back. She came back from planet Mars. Who she? She means Captain Jenna. She came back from planet Mars, and told everyone about what she saw on Mars, because now she reached back to the Earth. So she was telling her companions, the other astronauts or the scientists, that about what she saw on planet Mars. The scientists thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago, because she was explaining that the scientists and the astronaut, that what she saw on Mars. So about from her information they could understand, they could actually reach to the conclusion that maybe Mars was a planet like Earth before, because maybe life was possible on Mars earlier, but now it is not possible. They were thinking that people had lived on Mars a long time ago, because Captain Jenna told the other companions about planet Mars. So they were thinking that yes, life was possible on Mars, and maybe people were living on Mars before, a long time ago maybe. So that means life was possible on Mars earlier, but about now they were not sure, but earlier it was possible. They could collect that from Captain Jenna. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. So they were even wondering, scientists and astronauts were even wondering that whether planet Mars was blue and green like Earth before, because they were not knowing. Captain Jenna was just telling them what all things she saw on Mars. So they were just thinking that maybe Mars was also like Earth before, maybe possibility was there. So they were thinking, scientists were thinking that. So now we'll see what happens next. All the scientists congratulated Captain Jenna. So all the scientists, they congratulated. Congratulated means, you see the meaning is given. Congratulated means express pleasure and happiness to someone on their having achieved something. On their having achieved something means Captain Jenna finally achieved something, because it was a tough job for her to reach to the Mars and then collect rocks and soil and then come back to the Earth, because her life was in danger situation, right? It is not easy to go to space. So Captain Jenna finally did it, and she even brought those rocks and soils, which was not easy at all. So she did her work perfectly, and that's why everyone was congratulating her, giving her appreciation that what she did was actually good and best. She did her best work actually, because she actually completed her mission without any disturbance and without any dangerous things. Means like she didn't no danger occurred there on planet Mars, because she did her work perfectly. So that means her work was perfectly done, her mission was perfectly completed. So now everyone was congratulating her for that. Well done, Captain Jenna, soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip, they said together. So they were saying, scientists were saying, well done, Captain Jenna, soon it will be time for you. Soon means maybe now we plan it out that we'll send you for another trip. Another trip means for another mission, maybe to another planet or maybe to another moon. Maybe they can send Captain Jenna to moon. So they were planning for another trip for Captain Jenna, because they were happy with her work. So yes, this was the story. I hope you all have understood the entire story. Once again, I am going to explain the entire page in Hindi just for your convenience and so that you can understand it in a better way. So ये जो स्टोरी में आपने देखा कि कैप्टन जेना फाइनली मार्स पे पहुंच जाती है, उनका काम भी खत्म हो जाता है। वो क्या करती हैं, सारे पत्थर कलेक्ट कर लेती हैं, पत्थर ले लेती हैं और क्या कर लेती हैं, सॉइल मट्टी भी इकट्ठा कर लेती हैं। और जब मट्टी और पत्थर इकट्ठा कर लेती हैं तो अब उनका टाइम आ जाता है वापस पृथ्वी पर जाने का। अब क्यूरियो जो कि उनके साथ रोबोट था, वो दोनों अब पृथ्वी पर जाने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं। अब जब वो लोग जा रहे होते हैं तो वो लोग क्या देखते हैं, कहाँ से जा रहे होते हैं, सारे प्लैनेट, सारे ग्रहों के को क्रॉस करते हुए जा रहे होते हैं और उनको बड़े बड़े स्टार्स भी दिखते हैं, सितारे और बाकी ग्रह, बाकी प्लैनेट्स दिखते हैं। तो वो लोग खुश हो रहे होते हैं क्योंकि क्यों, उनका काम कंप्लीट हो गया। कैप्टन जेना तो सबसे ज़्यादा खुश थी क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना काम पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ किया। जो काम उन्हें मिला था कि उनको वहाँ से पत्थर और मिट्टी कलेक्ट करके लानी थी, साथ में लानी थी अपने, और वो उसको लेकर नीचे पृथ्वी पर आ रही थी। अब वो जैसे ही पृथ्वी पर पहुँचती हैं तो सब साइंटिस्ट लोग उनसे पूछते हैं कि मार्स पर उन्होंने क्या क्या देखा। तो वो जैसे ही बताती हैं कि मैंने मार्स पे ये देखा, वो देखा, अपनी तरीके से वो बताती हैं उनको। तो साइंटिस्ट ये समझ लेते हैं कि लगता है मार्स में लाइफ पॉसिबल है। लाइफ पॉसिबल मतलब ऐसा है कि पहले उस ग्रह पे लगता है लोग रहे होंगे, वो भी हमारे पृथ्वी की तरह एक ग्रह होगा जो कैप्टन जेना ने जिस तरीके से बताया तो उनको लगने लगा है कि लगता है मार्स पर पहले लाइफ थी, मतलब इसका मतलब इंसान लोग कुछ तो था, उसमें रह सकते हैं, मार्स पे रहना इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। और वो लोग ये भी सोचने लगे कि मार्स भी क्या हमारी पृथ्वी की तरह हरा और नीला है, क्योंकि नीला मतलब पानी है सारा और हरा मतलब पेड़ पौधे, क्या मार्स पे भी ये सब हो सकता है। वो सब ये आप तो जानते हैं साइंटिस्ट लोग कैसे होते हैं, खोजबीन करना उनकी आदत होती है, तो वो लोग ये सोचने लगे कि लगता है मार्स में ये हो सकता है, मार्स में जिंदगी हो सकती है, मार्स में पानी और पेड़ पौधे भी हो सकते हैं, ये वो सोच रहे हैं। अब पता नहीं ये होगा कि नहीं, ये हमें नहीं पता। तो अब कैप्टन जेना को लेकिन सब बधाइयाँ देने लगते हैं, उनके काम से सब बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं और कहते हैं कैप्टन जेना आपने ये काम बहुत अच्छे से किया, बिना किसी कठिनाई के आपने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया और आप वापस आई, तो सब आपको बहुत बधाइयाँ देते हैं, सब लोग देते हैं इकट्ठा। और कैप्टन जेना बहुत खुश हो जाती हैं और वो लोग उनसे ये भी कहते हैं कि आप नेक्स्ट ट्रिप के लिए रेडी हो जाइए, मतलब नेक्स्ट यात्रा में आपको लगता है दूसरे प्लैनेट भेज सकते हैं, कहीं भी भेज सकते हैं, तो वो सुन के खुश हो जाती हैं। सो यस, दिस वॉज द स्टोरी। I hope you all have understood because I have explained both in English and in Hindi just for your convenience. So yes, your homework is that you have to learn the word meanings which are given on the board. Yes, these word meanings you have to learn. So this time I'm not going to give you difficult words because I think you need to get the difficult words on your own from the chapter. The words which you find it difficult to learn or difficult to pronounce, you can learn them because I don't think so I need to mark and then give it to you. You can read the entire chapter and then find out the difficult words on your own and then try to learn them and then try to understand them. If you don't understand anything, then you can ask me in the live class. So yes, that's all for today. Thank you.